Un, dos, tres.
Next up we have Soraya Sobradad.
Him and he's, they and thems, she and hers. Welcome everyone to Soraya Sobradad's Fierce Cooking Show. I am Soraya Sobradad, the super sexy, super fabulous, super desirable, and in a much better emotional state today, queen of healthy Latin cooking. So welcome to my show. This is part 2 to a misgendering video that I posted recently. I did report back to work after taking 2 weeks off. I lasted 3 days, and by Thursday I just couldn't do it. I was imagining that my coworkers were sabotaging me. It was just too much for me. I didn't think I was really ever gonna shake that feeling. And it just added to the stress of still learning. I gotta be honest too, the hours of this job were really long, 9-hour days with a 1-hour break. My energy is not like it used to be, especially with hormones. I tend to wake up in the middle of the night. I don't know why, for like 3 or 4 hours, and I go back to sleep. So I don't get a full night straight through sleep. So it's really hard for me to perform those 9 hours a day. And then the stress of learning a new job, new coworkers, and then the reference that was made to me that was just really a tough one, a really painful one. Other things I'll talk about with this employer, that when I started the job they quoted one salary in the interview, and then when they sent me the onboarding paperwork it was a lesser salary. I came in not trusting this employer. I should have had a discussion with my manager. I'm not going to say what he was supposed to do and which he didn't do, but I felt it. I should have had a discussion with him about why we had this discrepancy of salary. Then other things popped up too that I thought were unprofessional. I didn't address it. But my thing was like, oh, I'm not here to change this company. I'm not here to change this manager's way of managing. I'm here to work. Because it just then snowballed. All this already happened with the salary and that other little drama, and now the misgendering. Like, what is this? And then it just fueled my rage. So what happened on Thursday, I called my employer to resign, and I spoke to HR. That call in resigning did not work out well. I came up with some words. I said that reference was just as bad as spit, and it just came out of my mouth. And then he got defensive. He was not having me, and I wasn't having him, and then I broke down and started crying and yelling on the phone like, "You're a white man, cisgender, you'll never know what this feels like. No one in your family will ever experience this. You don't understand." That took me down. So, YouTubers, how do you deal with this? Again, I asked this question in the first misgendering segment. But you know what I want to do? I'd love to learn how to manage misgendering better where it doesn't hurt so much. That's my goal for 2022. I'm going to get misgendered again. I know that. But how do I handle it better? How do I not bring my 63 years being mistreated as a queer person of color? Like, how do I let go? I thought I worked on it. I really did. A friend of mine said that maybe it's the hormones that makes me more reactive. I'm not going to say that because that's like saying that women are more emotionally unstable than men. I'm not going to go there. And again, I'm going to make a plea to all of you to please support my cooking show. Please watch the whole thing. Please like it. Please subscribe. And any donations. I have a PayPal account linked to my channel, a homepage here on YouTube. I have my website. $5, $10, $20, $100, $2,000, $5,000, whatever you want to give, I'll accept. It takes a lot of time to do these videos, and I love them, but you know, video editing, it takes hours to edit, like a 3-minute, 7-minute, 10-minute segment. I want to be self-supporting through my own contributions. I believe a lot of you enjoy the content that I provide, and if you can help out with any monetary contribution, support, I really would appreciate it. You're not obligated, but it would be nice. A bright future is in front of me. I'm willing to accept it, and I am willing to learn ways where I'm not so triggered when I am misgendered. So that's the goal for 2022. And to live where I want to live, earn the money how I want to earn it, look the way I want to look, and do the things that I love doing. And some of those things that I love doing is coming to the camera, talking to you, sharing my experience, strength, and hope, and connecting with you, okay? And I didn't self-harm or sabotage myself through this process. So I'm coming out on the other side, and I'm really grateful for that. So take care. Thanks for listening. Thanks for checking in. If I can do it, you could do it. Thank you all. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Mwah. Take care.